gigantic ice deposit that, if melted, could cover the entire Mars with a 2.5-meter-deep ocean. The recent revelation from the European Space Agency changes everything we knew about Mars and reignites the possibility of extraterrestrial life. The adventure is just beginning.
Imagine a world not too different from our own, a world where water flows and life thrives. Could Mars be that world? Mars, the red planet, has captured the human imagination for centuries. Its crimson glow, its mysterious surface features, and its tantalizing proximity have drawn the attention of astronomers, scientists, and dreamers alike. This celestial body, shrouded in enigma and lore, has long been the object of intense scrutiny and fascination. In the late 19th century, an intriguing theory emerged. Italian astronomer Giovanni Schiaparelli reported seeing canali, or channels, on the Martian surface. His findings sparked a flurry of speculation and debate. Could these channels be evidence of flowing water? Could this barren red world harbor the most essential element of life as we know it? This tantalizing possibility transformed the way we perceived Mars. No longer was it a distant alien world devoid of life. Instead, it became a potential haven for life. A planet that might have once been home to rivers, lakes, and perhaps even oceans. The idea of water on Mars ignited a spark in the scientific community, a spark that has since grown into a raging inferno of curiosity and exploration. Over the next century and a half, our fascination with Mars only intensified. We launched probes, rovers, and landers, each mission aimed at uncovering the secrets that Mars holds. The question that has driven these relentless pursuits is as simple as it is profound. Does water exist on Mars? The quest for water on Mars is more than just an academic exercise. It's a search for understanding, a search for connection, a search for life beyond our own. The possibility of water on Mars challenges our understanding of the universe and our place within it. It forces us to confront the profound question, are we alone? Now let's delve into the first signs of water on Mars discovered by NASA. In the 1970s, NASA's Viking orbiters took the first detailed pictures of Mars. The images that came back were nothing short of breathtaking. Among the Martian landscapes, scientists discerned features that bore a striking resemblance to dry riverbeds and floodplains here on Earth. The implications were staggering. Could it be possible that water, the life-giving substance we take for granted, once flowed on the red planet? These features, strikingly similar to terrestrial water-formed landscapes, sparked intense debates among scientists. The possibilities seemed endless, and the Martian enigma deepened. Could this be the first signs of water on Mars? Further back in 1971, the Mariner 9 mission arrived at Mars and opened a new chapter in our understanding of the planet. During its mission, Mariner 9 captured over 7,000 images of the Martian surface. Among these images were features that suggested something extraordinary: the presence of water erosion. The imagery showed channels and valleys, features that we know from our experience on Earth are typically formed by the persistent action of flowing water. The Mariner 9 mission raised the tantalizing possibility that water, in some form, had a hand in shaping the Martian landscapes. The evidence was compelling, but it was not definitive. The mystery of Mars's watery past, or lack thereof, remained. These early Martian missions, with their stunning images and intriguing findings, painted a picture of a planet with a potentially rich and dynamic history, a history that may have involved water. The Viking orbiters and Mariner 9 had opened a door to a new understanding of Mars, but they had also left us with more questions than answers. These early discoveries set the stage for more advanced exploration of Mars. The tantalizing clues left by the Viking orbiters and Mariner 9 spurred on further exploration, with each new mission seeking to unravel the secrets of Mars's past, and perhaps its potential for harboring life. The search for water on Mars was just beginning, and the journey was far from over. Fast forward to the 21st century, where Mars exploration took a giant leap forward. It was in 2008 when the Phoenix Mars lander, NASA's robotic spacecraft, made an extraordinary discovery. It detected water ice in the Martian subsurface, confirming the existence of a vital ingredient for life as we know it. This was not an easy task. The Phoenix Mars lander had to brave the harsh Martian environment, descending into the planet's polar region, where it dug into the icy soil using its robotic arm. It was a moment of triumph for the entire mission team, when the lander sent back images of shiny particles that evaporated over time, a clear indication that it had indeed found water ice. But the revelations didn't stop there. 4 years later in 2012, the Curiosity rover, a car-sized robot exploring Gale Crater, made its own groundbreaking discovery. It found rounded pebbles and gravels, evidence of an ancient stream bed on Mars's surface. This suggested that billions of years ago, water flowed on the red planet, possibly forming rivers and lakes. The Curiosity rover didn't just stumble upon these findings. It used its suite of sophisticated instruments, including a laser to zap rocks and a spectrometer to analyze the resulting dust. By doing so, it was able to detect the mineral composition of the Martian rocks, which pointed to the existence of flowing water in the past. Together, the Phoenix Mars lander and the Curiosity rover painted a picture of a different Mars, a planet that was once much more Earth-like, with a climate that could have supported liquid water on its surface. They revealed that Mars was not always the barren, dry world we see today, but rather a place where water ice lurks beneath the surface and rivers once flowed. These discoveries confirmed what scientists had long suspected: Mars was once a wet world, and with this newfound knowledge, we are one step closer to understanding the mysteries of the red planet and possibly uncovering signs of past or present life. In recent years, our understanding of water on Mars has grown exponentially. Our journey into the red planet's past and present has been marked by outstanding discoveries that have reshaped our perception of this intriguing world. Among these, the detection of a substantial saltwater lake beneath Mars's south polar ice cap in 2018 stands out. This discovery was made possible by the Mars Express spacecraft, a diligent explorer that has been orbiting Mars since 2003. Using an instrument called MARSIS, short for Mars Advanced Radar for Subsurface and Ionosphere Sounding, the spacecraft peered beneath the Martian surface, revealing the hidden lake. A reservoir of liquid salt water about 12 miles across was found under a mile of ice. This was a monumental finding, as it was the first stable body of liquid water ever discovered on Mars. But the revelations didn't stop there. Just a few years later in 2021, the United Arab Emirates HOPE probe made another groundbreaking discovery. As it circled Mars, gathering data about the planet's atmosphere, it detected traces of water vapor. This discovery is significant because it suggests that water cycles from the Martian surface to its atmosphere, much like on Earth. The presence of water vapor also supports the theory that Mars may have once had a climate similar to our own. These discoveries have not only reshaped our understanding of Mars, but have also prompted a flurry of questions about the planet's past and its potential to harbor life. The presence of water in its various forms on Mars is exciting because where there is water, there could be life. The hidden lake and atmospheric water vapor are tantalizing clues in our ongoing search for extraterrestrial life. These findings have sparked renewed interest in the possibility of life on Mars. As we continue to explore and uncover the secrets of the red planet, we are reminded of the vast potential that lies within our own solar system, and the tantalizing possibilities that await us in the cosmos. So, what does the future hold for Mars exploration? As we gaze towards the horizon of interplanetary discovery, a few key missions stand out. NASA is preparing to launch an ambitious Mars sample return mission, a first of its kind. This mission aims to collect samples from the Martian surface and return them to Earth, allowing scientists to study Mars's geological history in unprecedented detail. Simultaneously, the European Space Agency is gearing up to launch the ExoMars rover. This rover will continue the search for signs of life, past or present, with a particular focus on understanding the history of water on the red planet. These missions, along with others, will continue to peel back the layers of mystery that shroud Mars. They will delve deeper into the Martian chronicles, striving to solve the enigma of water on Mars and possibly uncover signs of ancient life. Only time will tell what secrets Mars still has to reveal. From dry riverbeds to underground lakes, the story of water on Mars is a fascinating journey. We've traced the early signs of water, etched in the Martian landscape, hinting at a past where water may have flowed freely. The Phoenix Mars lander confirmed our suspicions, unearthing water ice beneath the planet's dusty surface. The Curiosity rover further propelled our understanding, discovering ancient stream beds that once carried water across Mars. Our knowledge didn't stop there. We've recently detected a saltwater lake hidden beneath the planet's southern ice cap, a discovery that not only implies the presence of water, but also the potential for life. Even the Martian atmosphere, once thought to be arid, has revealed traces of water vapor. As we continue to delve deeper into the unknown, unraveling the complex history of Mars, we're consistently reminded of its surprising water story. As we continue to uncover the mysteries of Mars, one thing remains clear: the red planet is not as dry as we once thought.